Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gradle for Android build configuration, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Android Studio and navigate to your project. Locate the Gradle file in your project folder. This is usually found in the Gradle scripts section on the left sidebar. Double-click on the build.gradle module app file to open it. Scroll down to the dependencies section. Here, you can add any libraries or dependencies needed for your project. To add a dependency, use the format implementation library_name version. For example, to add retrofit, you would write implementation com.squareup.retrofit2 retrofit 2.9.0. Make sure to check for the latest version of the library you want to include. After adding the dependency, save the file. Now, Android Studio will prompt you to sync your project with Gradle files. Click on Sync Now to start the synchronization process. Wait for the synchronization to complete. Once synchronized, you will see a notification indicating success or errors if any occurred. If there are errors, check for typos in the dependencies or version numbers. Next, open the build.gradle project, your _project_name file. This file contains settings for the entire project. Ensure that the Gradle version is compatible with your setup. To change the Gradle version, look for the build script section. You might want to update the Gradle plugin version there too. After making any changes, save the file. Again, sync your project with the updated Gradle files. Once everything is set up, you can start building your app. Gradle will manage the dependencies and build configuration for your Android project. With each build, your project will utilize the settings specified in these Gradle files. That's a brief overview of registering with Gradle for Android build configuration. Now you are ready to customize and build your Android application effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.